Hello, this is Dr. Michele Piazza. I'm professor in vascular and endovascular surgery here at Padova University School of Medicine, Italy. I want to thank the JVS ATOM for the kind invitation. In this paper, we describe our initial experience in a multi-center prospective studies from the InBreed registry on the use of a new off-the-shelf thoracoabdominal devices with preloaded inner branches called E-nside from Artivion. Over 64 urgent thoracoabdominal aortic aneurysm treated, 249 incorporated target vessels were analyzed. During the procedure, proximal additional TEVAR was required in 45% of the cases, while a distal EVAR only in 50% of the case. Technical success was 97% with a 9% mortality and a permanent paraplegia rate of 3%. At 1 year, target vessel stability was 93%. From this initial experience, the E-nside endograft in an urgent setting was useful in treating aneurysm with a low total aortic coverage thanks to its two different proximal and distal diameter conformations. Obviously, longer-term follow-up and larger number of cases are required to evaluate if these preliminary results will be confirmed over time. Thank you very much.